In the last video, we introduced 2 by 3 stack multiplication. So we took a 2-digit and a 3-digit number, multiplied them. Talked about a little of the theory behind it. In this video, we're going to work more on the routines and the practice of it. So here, let's come up with some examples. We'll say 231 times 22. Don't want to carry there. And then we'll make it a little bit tougher. We'll try 764 times 5, and then we'll finish up times 55, and then we'll finish off with 999 times 99. So here's the process of how it works. We start with our first digit and multiply it by the 3 digits above. So 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6, and 2 times 2 is 4. And then we move on to the next digit. So now, this is 20, so we're starting with 20, so 20 times 1 will give us a 2 here. But you might want to put a 0 here as a placeholder so you don't accidentally put the 2 here. And think about it, that would make sense, right? 20 times 1, how could that give you just a 2 over here? That would mean 20 times 1 is just 2, and that's too small. So 20 times 3 is, or 2 times 3 is 6, and 2 times 2 is 4. Add them up. Right, and we get 5,082. The next problem, we start with this 5 right here, right? Multiply it by the 4, the 6, and the 7. So 5 times 4 is 20. 0 and a 2 from the 20 goes here. 5 times 6 is 30, plus 2 is 32. 2 here. And this 3 goes in the hundreds place because, again, 5 times 60 is 300. And we're adding 2 tens, so it's 300. And 20. 3 goes in the hundreds place. So now 5 times 7 is 35, plus 3, 38. And now before we move on, I'm going to cross these two out. I might need to carry some other digits, and I don't want to confuse them with what I was carrying before. And I put a 0 here as a placeholder, because now I'm starting with 50 times 4, which is 200. But we can think of it as 5 times 4 is 0 tens, right? And 2 hundredths. So now the places are all shifting. 5 times 4 is 20, 0 and 2. 5 times 6 is 30 plus 2, 2 and 3. And now 5 times 7, 35 plus 3 is 38. So you can see that because we had the same digit repeated, we had 382 here the first time, and because it's the same digit with the same numbers, the same digits appear, 3, 8, and 2, but they're shifted over. It's 10 times bigger because the first 5 was just 5 ones, and now the 5 represents 5 tens. So next, we add up these pieces, add them all together, and we get 0, 2, 10, 11, 12, and then 4. And one more to go. Here, we're multiplying 9s, all 9s, so we should see some kind of shifting pattern. 9 times 9 is 81. 9 times 90 is 810 plus 8, 80. This 8 versus 80 is 890. So 81, 9 times 9 is 81. And then add 8, we 89. This 8 goes in the hundreds place. 9 times 9 is 81. Plus 8 is another 89. And I'm going to make a jump here and say this next time I'll get the same thing but shifted over, right, by 1/10. By a tens place. So the 1 goes to the tens place, the 9 tens goes to 900ths, 900ths go to 9,000s, and 8,000s go to 80,000s. But let's check. So this 9 times this 9 gives us 81. Oh, crosses out first. So we put a 1 here and an 8 here. This 9 times 9 also gives us 81 plus 8 is 89. So put a 9 here and an 8 up here. This last 9 times 9 is 81 plus 8 is 89. So click that prediction was right. So we have 1, 10, 18. 9 plus 9 is 18 plus 1 is 19. 9 plus 8 is 17, plus 1 is 18. 8 plus 1 is 9. So there, this is what I get, 98,901. Thanks.